Hi, my name is 3D Modeler on YouTube, and this is a video response for a video posted by Hot Monkey 000, and he talks about Rocket Duck versus Windows Taskbar. And I just wanted to say a few words about what I think about Rocket Duck and the Windows Taskbar now. Normally, the Windows Taskbar like this is very useful for seeing open programs and stuff like that. So when you go into the uh, task manager here, you can see that Explorer, which is the program that handles this Windows taskbar, uses 18 megabytes of RAM, and Rocket Duck, if I can find it here, Rocket Duck uses 16. So, but those numbers will change depending on how much you use the program and how frequently you open things and close them and move things around. So the benefit of the Explorer application, or it is an application, of course, but it's a collection of programs or functionalities for Windows. So if I find Explorer again and I close it down, you can see that the icons on my Windows desktop disappears. I had my computer here and networks and I think a trash bin over here. Now, if you want to change your background, what you normally would do is right-click on the desktop, and you can see when I right-click, nothing happens. And that's because Explorer also uses or also gives you that functionality, so that it's gone. And you might wonder what to do now because you can't open any programs that are related to Explorer because that would defeat the benefit of closing Explorer down in the first place. So if you open your computer, my computer here, you can see that that would enable Explorer again, and that would use 11 megs of RAM. Now if you don't want to do that, I'll just close Explorer here, and then my computer should disappear. You can use third-party programs like Explorer++, which is a really nice substitution for Explorer, and you can see here how fast the program really is of switching between all those all the folders or drives on your PC. So that's really handy on your computer. Now, when I closed down the Explorer++, it didn't disappear down to the Rocket Dock. It just minimized the window to here, which is kind of annoying. I think if you used a program like Object Dock, it would minimize to the Object Dock active task part of the Object Dock bar, so that you would be able to see the applications while they're running. And I also think that you would be able to see videos playing in VLC Player. Now, let's close that again. If you wanted to change your background image, you really would have to do it from the picture itself. So you could click here and go to your pictures folder and choose a picture at random and right-click and click on the button which says put as active background or wallpaper, and it will change. So that functionality is still available. However, Explorer is nowhere to be found on the Windows task list. It's really about putting the computer interface like you want it to be. If you watch movies, no one really uses Windows. All the interfaces on the computer is customized for their particular needs in the program. So it's more or less about doing something different than anybody else, because face it, if everybody uses the Windows taskbar if they have a Windows computer. So it's also about standing out. Yeah, that should be pretty obvious. not to patronize anyone, but so my main thought on the matter was that, I mean, computers really keeps on getting faster and better, and you can see here that 16 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of RAM and 4 cores with 4 in hyperthreading. It's a Core i7. It's not really about the uh, space those things take up anymore. It's more about what you want to do with your computer and how you can customize it to fit your own needs. Um, so on that, I think I'll close this video, and I'll say thanks a lot for the video that was posted by Hot Monkey 000. I enjoyed it. I was kind of upset about it, but hey, it's up to personal preference. And if you like your computer customized, then please go ahead. If you like the traditional Windows taskbar, please, if you feel free, do that. I mean, no one can really dictate how you should run your computer, not even if it's about the speed and agility of the hardware itself. I used to play around with my computer with something called Samurais, which used a buttload of memory and CPU because it would update every 1,000th of a second, because I was a moron not being able to uh, separate each of these tasks. Um, but Samurai is not used anymore, so I used a program called Rainmeter, which gives me all these amazing features. For instance, these system load settings and the awesome looking clock up here. I'm 3D Modeler on YouTube. Thanks for watching.